Hey Peter, Simon from Growth Marketing Systems here. Hope you're well. Just shooting you a quick video to show you how to set up your business manager and your ad account in Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is go to business.facebook.com. Hit on the blue button here, create account. Then you get asked for your login. So this is where you can just use your personal logins. So that's fine, that's no problem. It's probably easier to do that as everything's kind of centralized and you just have access to everything there. So once you log in again, you'll have a page similar to this. Just click on create account, and then in business name you can just do Smart Money Wealth Marketing or Smart Money Wealth, whatever you feel necessary. For testing purposes, I'll just go through test account, something like that. So then next fields are your name and then your business email. So your business email, so this can be separate to your personal login for your Facebook. This can be your business email, something that you can be reached at, which will be a lot easier to, if something that you're on day to day, whether or not, so you can get access to that. So go through and create that. Now once you've done that, you should hit a page that looks similar to this. Now yours will be all empty because you don't have any ad accounts set up in your account just yet. So what you will need to do is then be to hit on business settings up in the top right here. So once you hit on business settings, you'll then get to a page that's similar to this. Now from here, over on the left side, you'll see ad accounts. So click on the ad accounts. Yours again will be empty. And you can just click on add, create a new ad account. So here you can name this whatever you want again. It can just be Smart Money Wealth. This is going to be a little bit confusing, but there's a business manager as well as an ad account. So they can be named the same, that's no problem. So this will basically be the ads that will run out of this ad account. Now you'll obviously only need one, but for someone like us, for example, or agencies, we can have one business manager with multiple ad accounts in it, like you would have noticed in the last page that I was on. So in here, just add your ad account name. Again, it can be the same thing. It could be your own personal name if you wish. It doesn't matter. And be sure to change the currency and the time zones, because sometimes I think by default it is for USD. So just make sure you change that over and then hit create ad account. Next up, after you've added your ad account, all good, you can. I probably recommend going up to payments up the top here and just adding a payment method. So just going in there, adding in your credit card. That's all cool. Once you've done that, you will need to either create a Facebook page, a business page, if you haven't already got one, or add your existing one here. So you just go up to pages, click add, so you can add a page. So if you're already an admin, your personal login is an admin. As soon as you start typing that in, we're already on there, but that should come up and you should be able to claim that page straight away if you're an admin. If not, you can request access to it, and then whoever is an admin can give it to you. Now the next thing that we'll need is for you in the ad accounts, you will need to go down to yours. I'll just use Growth Marketing Systems as an example for now, and then add people. And then if you could add Blake, myself, and Blake and myself, that will be good. And then just if you could make us add admin accounts, so with the most with the highest permission level. I think that's all you will need to do, mate. And once you add the page, your actual business page onto the account, could you do the same? So add Blake and I as admins onto the page, so that will give us full control and full access to be able to run the ads and do that without any interruption or having to go back and forth with you. But I hope that is clear for you, mate. If there's any questions at all, just give me a shout or let me know. But if we can get that set up, then we can start building everything out and getting everything ready for when you are ready to start running some ads. Okay, Peter, thanks for your help. Thanks.